1 Hour Smart Home here, and today we're going to show you how to set up a Govee smart light bulb. These are Wi-Fi smart light bulbs that work with both Alexa and Google Home. In order to do this, you need to get the Govee app, which is called Govee Home. We're just going to click Get right here, and then we're going to install it. You're going to need to set up a username and password. So download the app and set up a username and password. Here you need to allow notifications and Bluetooth access in order to get this set up. You can do this later, but it's much easier just to allow the functionality now in order to make the setup go smoother. Once you download the app, this screen automatically pops up, and all we're going to do is scroll through these. It gives you some information on what you could do. And then we're just going to click again, and now it's going to say user agreement and privacy policy. You can go through this, and then you're going to need to accept. So now we're just going to screw in the Govee light bulb, then we're going to power it up and get started setting it up on the Govee app. I'm going to turn on the Govee light bulb, so I've got it in the lamp fixture right here, and then because it's going to be so bright, I'm just going to flip this away because otherwise it's going to screw up the camera and lighting situation we got going on. So we'll have it looking that way while we set up the app so as we don't get too much interference here. Now all I'm going to do is click the plus symbol up here at the top. It gives us different lighting that we can install here and different types of strip lights. So we're just installing typical indoor lighting here. And these particular light bulbs are the H608. And how I found that is just look on the back of this and it's going to show you the model number. Also, you could see the model number on the light bulb itself. It's got that writing there. So we're going to install the H6008 Govee smart light bulb here. Now we just need to create an account. So I'm going to click create an account, enter my email, then we're going to need to enter a password. Once we enter our email, it asks for a 4-digit password verification code that's going to be in your email. So we went to our email, we found that code, and now we're just going to enter it. Once we entered the code, now we're just going to create our password, so do that now. Now that we've got our username and password created, we are ready to get this set up. So it says up the top here, authorizing Bluetooth will actively search nearby devices for you. If you didn't enable Bluetooth while you were getting this set up, you need to do so now. But you also need to enable app permissions on your phone for Bluetooth. So we've got the settings tab open. You would just need to go to app permissions within settings and then that app. So we went to apps and then Govee Home and we searched for that. And then you can see right here, we need to enable Bluetooth. Currently our Bluetooth is off. So we're going to open that up right there and slide it over. And now our Bluetooth is enabled in our app permissions for Govee Home. And then now I'm in the Govee Home app again. I'm just going to click on the plus symbol again. I'm going to click on indoor lighting here. And now I'm going to click on the H6008 LED light bulb, which is the one right here. It automatically pops up, which that's our light bulb. So we're just going to click on that. And then it says it is connecting via Bluetooth. Now, once it's connected via Bluetooth, it will also then connect via Wi-Fi eventually. So we can name this. We're just going to leave it as Smart LED Bulb. We're going to click Done. And our Wi-Fi network is going to pop here. And now we just need to enter our password for the Wi-Fi network. So it initially requires Bluetooth to get set up and enabled on your phone. But once you use the Bluetooth to set it up, it's going to use Wi-Fi so that you can control it. So enter your password for your Wi-Fi network here. We entered our password and now click Done. Here it allows you to set up third-party voice assistants like Alexa and Google Home. We're just going to skip that for now and get the light bulb set up. Here it just pops up, save the password, or you can click Not Now, so make your choice. It says, welcome to the device control interface. Let me give you a quick tour. We're going to click Next. Use this slider to control your light's brightness. We're going to click Next. It says to the left of the brightness slider is the quick access slot. You can customize this slot to more easily access functions important to you. We're going to click Next. Tap More to find additional functions such as timer and effects. New functions arriving in the future may also find a home in the More tab. We're going to click Next. Layout settings of control page. We're going to click Done here. And now we have got our light here, and I'm just going to kind of zoom out and take a bigger look at this so we can make some changes to the light and see what happens as we control it. So we can dim this, and I'm actually going to dim it down here so that we don't have too much light going on camera. We'll put it way down, but you can see we can change the color here: red, green, blue, purple, teal. I think that's white there. Or we can go down here and we can choose anything in this color palette here, and it will change as we go around. So pretty cool here what we've got going on in terms of being able to control the Govee light bulb, and then just choose whatever color we want. Purple looks cool on camera. Sometimes with cameras it's weird what colors pop up just because of the sensor. But I can then choose if I want brighter or a warmer light here. If you end up choosing the white, let's put it back to the purple. That just looks good on camera. And then I can go all the way up to 100% if I want. Or I can just turn it on and off right here. So that powers it completely off, powers it completely on, and then I could change the color. So now our Govee smart light bulb, which is a Govee Wi-Fi smart light bulb, is set up and it is connected so we can remotely control it from our phone. It's connected via Wi-Fi, but you can also connect this to Google Home or Alexa if you want to be able to control it with voice commands. So thank you for watching this video on how to set up a Govee Wi-Fi smart light bulb. We hope you enjoyed this, and if you got any questions, leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.